Thank you so much. I will welcome you to this video. So in this video, you are going to learn on how to construct a Venn diagram, provided you are given certain information, either it was the survey which was carried out, or it is a research which is being carried out either in class, how teachers like specific subjects that may be listed down. So how do you come up with a Venn diagram given with that information? So we have a question here on the board. A question, it's saying it is deduced from the survey which was conducted, and we are told that a survey carried out at the Kamlima farming block showed that 44. So it was a survey, then these are the results that we have gotten from the survey. So a survey carried out at the Kamlima farming block showed that 44 farmers planted maize, 32 planted sweet potatoes, 37 planted cassava, 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes, 24 again planted both sweet potatoes and cassava, 20 planted both maize and cassava, 9 planted all crops, and 6 did not plant any of these crops. So this is the information that we have. So after being given with this information, then the question is now, question part 1 is asking us to illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. Wow, very interesting. Then question that follows, how many farmers planted maize? Okay. The other one is, how many farmers were at this farming block? And if you read clearly from our questions here, it does not specify exactly the total number of people who were at this farming block. But we have to know by the help of the Venn diagram. So, we have 3 things here that were involved. So, for us to find solutions, let's get started to start solving the question. So, we have 3 things that are involved here. We have sweet potatoes, we have cassava, we have maize. So we are going to let sweet potatoes to represent S, okay, cassava, C, and maize, F to M. So we say let sweet potatoes be equal to S, cassava, C, maize, M. We want to use the initials. So, how do we come up with a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram will first draw the universal set. The universal set, okay, the universal set with the letter E at the corner there, which means universal set. Then we have 3 sets that are involved here. We have set 1, let's break that way. So M to mean maize, S to represent sweet potato, and the C to represent cassava. Alright, so now we start attending to this question. Now, if you look carefully here, if they say 32 planted sweet potatoes, 37 planted cassava, 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes, 24 planted both sweet potatoes and cassava. 20 planted both maize and cassava. 9 planted all, and 6 did not plant any. So, to start this question, we are going to start from the information that will help us to write, which is not very much connected to one another. So, for example, we start from here. 6 people did not plant any of these crops. 6 of them. So it means that 6 were not found in these sets, but they were counted, but they were found that they did not plant any crop. So we're going to write them out there. They are in the universal set because they were part of the survey, but unfortunately they did not plant any, and that's the reason they don't belong to any of the sets. Then we are told again 9 planted all. So 9 of them planted all the crops. So they planted maize, they planted cassava, they planted sweet potatoes. And we are going to write our 9 at the intersection set of all the 3. Okay? So this is going to be, we are going to put 9 here. Because 9 here, this part, the intersection of the 3 is here. Which means these 9 people planted maize. They are found in the set of maize. They are also found in the set of sweet potatoes. They are also found in the set of cassava. We'll write the 9 there. So, then we continue. We are going to do as though we are going backwards. So, after 9, we are told 20 planted both maize and cassava. M and C. 20 of them planted maize and cassava. So I'm going to look for the intersection state of both cassava and maize. So cassava is C, maize is M, and we are told there are 20. So the intersection set of M and C includes the whole of this set. The whole of this. And we are told that in this set there are supposed to be 20. Now we already have 9. So we say 20 minus 9. We have 11. So we're going to put our 11 there, so that when we say 11 plus 9 gives us 20, which makes those who planted maize and cassava. After that, we are told 24 planted both sweet potatoes and cassava. 24 planted both sweet potatoes and cassava. They belong to the intersection set of F and C. 24. F and C is this set. So the intersection of F and C, it is that set. That whole set here. 24 is the answer. So we already have 9 as part of this section. So what should we do? So we say 24 minus 9. Okay? And the answer is 15. 15 there. Okay? And the answer is 15. Then followed by the other part, they are saying, it is said that 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes. 14 maize and sweet potatoes, 14 of them, and we already have 9 here. So we say 14 minus 9 are 5. There. So after that, okay, 14 planted both maize and sweet potatoes. Then we continue moving upward. We have 37 planted cassava. 37 planted cassava. 37. So they are saying the whole set of this cassava, they are supposed to give us 37. So we need to find the value of the remaining part. So how we can find this is, we need to know how many do we have already in place, so that we should find the value of what we don't know. So what we'll do is, we'll say, we need to add everything. 11 plus 9 plus 15 plus what we don't know here, which we are going to label as x. We are told all this should give us 37. So we need to add this 11 plus 9 plus 15. So 11 plus 9, it is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. So we already have 35 plus x is 37. Okay? So we need to know what is that 37 minus 35. And we are going to find that x is 2. So it means that this part here, which we don't know, is equal to 2. So we'll replace it by 2. So 11 plus 9 plus 15 plus 2, this should give us a 37 as directed. So now we go to the next other part where they are saying, where it is saying that 32 planted sweet potatoes. 32 planted sweet potatoes. So sweet potatoes, this set is for sweet potatoes, the whole lot of that. So we have the number here, we have the number there, we have the number there, but we don't have the number here. For the sake of calculation, let's put this one as y. What you need to know is that when you add this plus this plus this plus this to make a complete set of sweet potatoes, the answer is 32. So what is the value of y, which we don't know? Okay? So this is how we are going to go about it. Five plus 9 plus 15 plus y, we are told the whole set of sweet potato to make it a complete, this should give us 32 people. So 5 plus 9, 14 plus 15 gives us 29. So we have 29 plus y is equal to 32. So what is y? Y is equal to 32 minus 9 minus 29. So y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So it means that if we add the 3 there where there is y, so we're going to substitute and put a 3 here. Okay? A 3. So this work here just helps us to solve and find the answers that we need to fill. Our main question is to construct a Venn diagram. So we can wrap it off. Then we go to the other part. They have said, the question says, 44 farmers planted maize. 44. So when we add everything for maize, the whole set for maize should give us 44. So let's put, for the sake of calculation, let's put this one as P for the sake of calculation. So it means that the whole set of maize, when we say P plus 5, this 5 here, plus 9, this 9 here, because it belongs in the set of maize, plus 11, the answer we are told is 44. So let's look for the value of P. So 5 plus 9 plus 11, the answer is, when you add this, they'll give you 25. Okay, 5 plus 9 plus 11 is 25. So P plus 25 is equal to 44. So P is equal to 44 minus 25. P is equal to, so 44 minus 25. And the answer is, you have to go through a small, okay, let's do a small calculations here so that you follow how come we are finding the answer. So for 4 minus 5, it's time to borrow 1 there. We have 9. Then there is the 3 remaining. 3 minus 2 is 1. So gives us 19. So I'm going to put the answer here, 19. So P is equal to 19. So we substitute P with our value 19. So hopefully it's clear. So we are done with that. The question was illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. And this is part 1. We are done with illustrating the information on the Venn diagram. Okay. So then the other question is, how many farmers, or this is part 1, and part 1, part 2, question is, how many farmers planted maize? I want to make mention that if they say planted maize, and if they say how many farmers planted maize only, these two questions differ completely. This question is just asking how many farmers planted maize. If they say how many farmers planted maize only, it's different from this one. So the examiner here wanted to see if you understand what you are doing. I mean, to make the answer easy, it's already given here. We are told, even from the example, from the first part, they say we have 44 farmers. Okay? We have 44 farmers planted maize. And this is the same statement, which is how many farmers planted maize. So meaning, to cut the story short, we only have 44 farmers. But if they were saying how many farmers planted the maize only, the answer would have been 19. But they said how many farmers planted maize. So 44. There's nothing to think about because the answer is already here on top. Alright, let's come to the last part of this question. The last part, how many farmers were at this farming block? So how many farmers were at this farming block? So, farming, so meaning that the whole universal set, how many were they? There are some people who were at the farming block, but they never did any farming of any crop. So we can add these things. We need to add the whole set of maize. Okay? The set of maize is 19 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11. Okay, then we say plus 3 plus 15 plus 2, including this who did not do anything. So we have 44. This 44 is for the set of names. So 44 plus 3 plus 15 plus 2 plus 6. 44 is the answer we get after adding this. Then plus 3 plus 15 plus 2 plus 6. So we have 3 plus 15 plus 2. This gives us 20. 20 plus 6, 26. So 44 plus 26. Okay? Let's add it. Okay? 44 plus 26. So if you add 4 plus 6 is 0. Remember 1, it's 10. But it gives us 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 0 carry 1. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1 remainder is 7. So it means that 70 people were at this farming block, including these 6, if beneath they were not farming anything, but as long as they belong to this group. So we have 70 people in the survey. So that this is how we are supposed to attend to it. Take note that this one is for number 3. Take note that this one is number 3. We have number 1 here, number 2, number 3. Okay? So thank you so much. Even if you are asked to do a Venn diagram from any set, just use these steps and you'll be able to go through for any question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully it will help you in your entire life. Thank you.